Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to install a VPN Chrome extension to browse safely and privately. First, open Google Chrome and go to Extensions. Click on Manage Extensions and go to Chrome Web Store. Search for VPN and click on any VPN that you want. Let's select this, click on Add to Chrome, click Add Extension. Once it's done, click on the little puzzle icon here and click on Urban VPN. Click Agree and just connect to the VPN. As you can see, the VPN has connected successfully. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.